Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Tuesday, May 19th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Monday of 885.25. Above 885.25 in the June Mini S&P for Monday was considered bullish. Below 885.25 was considered bearish. I had the first line of support down at 876.75. I had the first line of resistance up at 894 even. The second line of resistance up at 904.5. Now these are 15-minute bars going all the way back late Sunday evening. You could see we went right down to that first level of support, 876.75, going down to a low of 875.25. You can see we bounced off the first level of support. Then the market started trading higher early Monday morning. Still before the regular trading session opened, we bounced from that first level of support going over the pivot level of 885.25. This is where the regular trading session opened. You can see we're clearly in a bullish mode, trading above the pivot level. Within the first hour, we broke through the first level of resistance at 894 even. Quite frankly, Monday's rally, I was really surprised how strong the market was. The market just kept trending higher all day without any real pullbacks to speak of. But I did send messages out to people. There might be some resistance at 894 even since we had traded as low as the first level of support overnight, but you can see the market just kept trending higher all day. I thought the high might be contained within the first and second level of resistance. You can see when we first approached the second level of resistance, we went up to 904 even late in the day, just below that second level of resistance at 904.5. And then in the last 45 minutes, we just broke through that second level of resistance of 904.5. The market settled at 907 even, up 24 points on the day. So we had a big update and a big range too. Low of the day in the combined session, going all the way down to the first level of support, settling above the second level of resistance. So for Tuesday, I'm looking at the pivot level of 897.5. The market settled at 907 even. We need to stay above 897.5 for a bullish market. Below 897.5 is a bearish market. I have the first line of support down at 885.25. The second level of support down at 864.25. For resistance, I have the first level of resistance 919.5. The second level of resistance at 931 even. I also have the weekly numbers. Weekly pivot 895 even. Very close with tomorrow's daily pivot. Weekly pivot 895 even. First level of weekly resistance 912.5. Second level of weekly resistance 940.50. For support, first weekly support 866 even. Second level of weekly support down at 848.5. Couple numbers coming out. They're both at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. You have building permits. The expectation is for 530,000. And also housing starts. The expectation is for 525,000. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks for tuning in and good trading.